In the previous episode of MotorBeam ProjectCar.
Cars are becoming slower, heavier, fuel efficiency is also improved, emissions have reduced, but the soul is gone completely. We need to buy a car which has the soul, which is fun to drive, which will make you feel excited, under 1 lakh rupees.
So we'll give our options to Javed and then he'll finally decide which car to buy.
After a long discussion full of chai and food, it was time for all 5 of us to head out and search for the MotorBeam ProjectCar.
I can feel my body cold against the concrete, but I can't seem to get enough. My mind is fixed on what it wants. I just let you beat me. Looks can be deceiving. Let you get the best of me. In bed with my worst enemy.
First it was Faisal, who had his eyes on this 2003 Mitsubishi Lancer, which was already a ricer.
Lancer का बताओ ना भैया.
देखो.
हाँ क्या प्राइस क्या है?
1,10 तक पड़ जाएगी.
1,10 तक.
मतलब 15,000 तो तेरा पासिंग का ही है. पासिंग और ग्रीन टैक्स और तेरा ये मॉडिफिकेशन का लिख के लेना पड़ेगा ना अपने को.
कितना पुराना है गाड़ी?
ये 2003 का है.
और क्या मॉडिफिकेशन किया है इसमें?
फ्री फ्लो किया हुआ है, डोर मॉडिफिकेशन किया है, स्पॉयलर्स लगा हुआ है.
अच्छा.
वो सब है.
और कितना चला लगभग गाड़ी?
चला कम है, चला 50-60,000 किलोमीटर के आसपास चली.
फाइनल बताओ आप. पक्का? बहुत ज़्यादा बोल रहे हो आप. I am sure I'm going to beat everyone in finding the best possible car. Just look at this Lancer. Sexy paint job, alloy wheels, stock. I mean, like I'm buying it with alloy wheels. And you know what? It's a 3-door, so they have sealed the door over here. I know it robs away practicality. I know that. And we'll open the car in a bit. It has this massive roof spoiler. तो इस पे तो काफ़ी चीज़ें लटका के साफ़ करवा सकते हैं. It also has a proper exhaust. I mean, free flow exhaust, K&N filter and what not.
ये फ्री फ्लो यहाँ से किया है ना पूरा.
हेडर्स के साथ.
हेडर्स के साथ.
AC वैसी चलता है सब. 85 भैया 85
में मैं एज इट इज दूंगा आपको. बाकी अब पेपर वर्क आपको करना पड़ेगा.
पेपर वर्क के साथ.
पेपर वर्क तो मेरे को तो ऑलरेडी ऑफर है. आप चल में गाड़ी स्टार्ट है.
तो आप फाइनल बताओ. पेपर के साथ सब बताओ. फाइनल लैंडेड
110 तक पड़ेगा.
ज़्यादा है भैया,
क्योंकि देखो पेपर वर्क में
ठीक है. चलो मैं बताता हूँ आपको क्या क्या लगता है इसमें. ग्रीन टैक्स.
While Faisal had decided to go for the Lancer, Aras and Path had actually shortlisted the same car.
I got tons of soul on my true collectible. Famous, so famous, number one desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air. That's how I roll.
उसको मॉडिफाई करेंगे. ये कंपनी तो वैसे बंद हो गई है. 2 लाख रुपए ज़्यादा है उसके.
बिना छिलके का बोल रहे. बिना छिलके का. अरे भाई मांगता है तो लो ना.
पेट्रोल है डीजल पेट्रोल. थर्ड ओनर है बट.
थर्ड ओनर. I like it यार. I always loved Octavia. और this one is the facelifted model.
I'm a bit dicey about this engine. Haven't driven this variant before, so.
Yeah, I have to rework all this and we have to modify everything.
अबे तो बॉडी किट लगाएंगे.
I think you can fit the base tube and amplifier quite easily.
Aras and Path weren't completely convinced with the Chevrolet cars. The availability of spares has been an issue after the company stopped selling their vehicles in India. So, they decided to look for more.
Top of the world. When I hear him come like my fuse and then ba-bum. Let us see.
ये कितनी चली है? 54,000. It's a Honda, so the quality is up to the mark.
There's a power steering. It has a distance to empty. Wow, it is showing 170.
2.4 VTEC kicked in yo.
The build quality is better than the Optra. This is the top variant with alloy wheels and a spoiler. And plus, the biggest plus point is the 1.9 liter diesel engine, which is a stronger.
So we already have the amplifier and the bass tube setup.
भैया टेस्ट ड्राइव मिलेगी यहाँ पे छोटी इसकी आ जाओ. Actually in a good condition, yeah. Engine gives good performance.
2 के आसपास करते हैं.
I think I'm really happy with this car. We should definitely go for this one. It has a good engine, good driving dynamics, good build quality, good potential for modifications, and it looks really good even after so many years. So I think this is one of the best cars to buy in the used car market.
It feels like a proper Honda. It has good quality, great quality interiors. Nothing much to be done. So I think we'll go with this car.
In every biker's life, there comes a time when he sits in the car for the very first time and he instantly falls in love with the engine, with the comfort, and wow, the music.
रियल चाललेली गाडी आहे. फर्स्ट ओनर आहे.
अच्छा.
पुरं देताना पूर्ण गाडी पॉलिश होऊन देणार.
अच्छा.
एंट्री क्लिनिक, पॉलिश, स्टॉपलिंग, कोटिंग. एक दिवस पहिलं गाडी तुम्हाला गाडी घेऊन जायचं. एक दिवस पहिले सांगितलं ना गाडी पॉलिशला जाणार.
ओके.
पुरं इंजन वगैरे टकाटक होऊन येणार. ऑइल कमाय ऑइल घालणार, कूलंट पाणी कमाय कूलंट घालणार.
पण हे सगळं साफ करावं लागेल ना?
हो ते सारे होऊन जाईल. आमचं मागे शोरूम आहे, सर्व्हिस सेंटर आहे ना.
अच्छा. ओके ओके परफेक्ट.
काम आहे वगैरे मागे.
मी एकदा आतमध्ये चालू करतो, एक सेल्फ करतो.
करा ना. गाडी न्यूट्रल कर.
हो. Pretty nice. Engine revs very smoothly. Gearbox rubbery feel है अभी भी इसको. It's a Fiat. It has to have the rubbery feel.
सारे कंपनी फिटिंग आहे साहेब. सीट एडजस्टमेंट आहे, स्टीयरिंग एडजस्टमेंट आहे.
हाँ. Seems pretty nice from the inside. All the cubby holes, everything is here.
जिंदा खुदा के सामने जब न्याय तेरा.
Seems very nice from the inside. Has got a very good console here, but it's a little over 2 lakhs. देखते हैं, बात करना पड़ेगा अभी. दोनों लोग का माउसी लाता. So the car is in a very mint condition, and I personally like this car because it rides very nicely. The only thing that is hurting me is that it has a big price tag. It is 2,40,000. That's over 2 lakhs, and the budget constraint that we have is a little too much. So I'll have to go inside and bargain.
So rather than going for a car which is good but kind of boring, I decided to go for a motorcycle, and I've called a friend of mine over here who's trying to sell his R15 as well as the Duke 200. अभी मैं उसको बहुत ज़्यादा फंसाने वाला हूँ because the price he's quoting is a little bit high according to my standards, and अभी मैं उसको फंसाऊँगा अपने षड्यंत्र में, and I'll get him to reduce a little bit, and hopefully Javed, please select my motorcycle. And because obviously bikes are more thrilling. Cars are good, but bikes just good. Renmoy, right?
Yes. So this one is registered in June 2014.
Achha.
That has been registered in 2013. 14,746 kilometers. 48.
और वैसे कोई कभी crash वगैरह accidental?
Yes.
एक crash है?
Yes. This has a crash on this side.
कितने crashes हैं total?
I think this one has around 3 crashes. You can see the crash mark here. This is for 70,000.
And this?
This, okay, if we plan to sell this one, then this one will quote around 75. Because इसके आगे पीछे हम लोगों ने नया मिशलिन के टायर्स डाले.
अभी कभी क्रैश हुआ ये?
नहीं, अभी तक तो क्रैश वगैरह कुछ हुआ नहीं है. So it's in a good state. थोड़े बहुत हल्के फुल्के मॉडिफिकेशंस है, टेल टाइडी
वगैरह, इंडिकेटर्स. और कितना ओडो कितना है?
इसका ऑटो अराउंड 55,000 किलोमीटर.
55.
Yes, I'll show it to you.
55 के लिए I think you're asking too much, ना? 75,000.
We have all the service
All the
records
service
for this,
records,
yeah.
right? So मतलब like I said, engine and all, chassis and all, it looks good. Plus crash नहीं हुई है, तो I think I can go for this. But obviously, if the price is a little bit, भाई करना. अभी मैं उसको फंसाऊंगा अपने षड्यंत्र में, and I'll get him to reduce a little bit. किधर रहता है तू?
I stay in Kandivali.
And where do you, मतलब वैसे you're from Bombay only?
No, I'm from Assam.
No Delhi?
No Delhi.
दिल्ली वाले तो अच्छे लोग रहते हैं. You can trust me with your motorcycle.
We can do as an owner, I would suggest you could buy this bike.
एक ना तेरा ना मेरा. 65.
65 बस बहुत कम हो जाता है.
Like 65 में I'll wire transfer you the money ASAP. Plus I'll give you MotorBeam merchandise free.
You know,
MotorBeam office tour free.
I don't think so that's happening. And see you.
MotorBeam team selfie.
You don't have to. So आपको नया टायर लगाने का जरूरत नहीं है. That's a big
इससे ज़्यादा मैं
saving.
तेरे को ऑफर नहीं कर सकता. Ride in a very nice super car. 65 done.
But I would like
हाथ
you
मिला ले.
to offer me 70,000, and that's where I would be, you know, very satisfied with the price.
पैसा नहीं छोड़ रहा है. 68 merchandise. Let's make it a deal. I'll let you know, and as soon as possible.
Yeah.
And hopefully I'll convince them to buy this motorcycle. Yeah.
Sure.
Chalo, thanks yaar. Thanks
Thank
again.
you so much. Thank you.
So after an hour of brain games with this silly, I kind of managed to get 5,000 off on the R15. Meanwhile, this is what the whole team had. It was now Javed who had to select any one of these cars/bikes which will become the MotorBeam ProjectCar. Well/bike. Stay tuned to find out.
ये पता नहीं कैसे नाक कटवा दिया. बाइकर हो के तुम गाड़ी का सिलेक्शन करके आए हो.
JDM for the win. High five, bro. Yeah, baby.
I still think there are two motorcycles standing over there. Okay.
Okay, let's just unveil and let's see who's right.
Cool.
Lancer.